Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2006 Suzuki GSX-R600. This bike has just a little over 19,000 miles on it and is in great shape. It's got a few imperfections on it, which I'll show you when we go around, but they're very limited and very minor. So let's take our walk around this sport bike. Front tire is still in good condition, got plenty of life left in that. On the right side here, it does show a very gentle set down. Got a little scraping on the bar end and the lever. A little bit here on the middle fairing. A little nick on the exhaust. And a little scuff on the tail here. You can hardly see it there. There it is. So, but like I said, it's really minor. It's very, very gentle. And as you can see by the back tire, that's in good shape. That's got plenty of miles left on it. Now the left side here, I don't believe has been dropped, but something fell against it, is all I can imagine, because it took a chunk out of the fairing here. But it's really in a spot where it's kind of difficult to see. Kind of blends in with the frame underneath. So, but other than that, that's it. I mean, that's the major imperfection right there, plus a few light scrapes on the other side. So, oh, and on top of it, this bike has been lowered. It also has an adjustable kickstand on it. Show you those miles now. 19,058 is what's on it. Set the camera down here. This GSX-R600 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.